Hello, this is Derek Stokes for Stoked Living. There's my little football player, Philip. And we are doing a little project. We're getting stuff kind of ready for a project. If you haven't noticed lately, if you've been to Lowe's, you go and buy some lumber. It's a little pricey. So we're going to try to do something a little more on a budget and use some of the resources off our land for our projects, and kind of make it what I like to call rustic. Gives you a little wiggle room. What's rustic?
No.
Rustic is well, if you kind of screw up on something, you just call it rustic. So it's not real precise. But anyways, we're just going to try to do a few things on a budget, and hopefully you guys can learn something from it, or learn what not to do, more than likely. But we'll try it out. So kind of what I'm doing now is I'm getting some red cedar logs out on our land out here west of Locust. We have a lot of red cedar. And it didn't used to be that way. Red cedar is an invasive tree and can grow really quick and kind of take over an area. And that's kind of what we've run into. And it's kind of taken some of the pasture land and they kind of choked out a few of the other trees that provide forage and nutrients for the animals. Yes, it works really well for shelter. But animals don't get a whole lot out of the cedar, from what I've noticed anyways. Maybe they do. I don't see them gnawing on no cedar branch. So we're gonna cut some of these and use them for some projects got around the house. So that's what me and Philip's gonna be doing.
What are we building?
Well, that's what they're gonna have to find out. I don't know what we're gonna build, but we'll build something.
How are you now?
I've got a few ideas. Don't run the surprise for them. No. All right, we're gonna get started. So I've done enough to work up a good sweat. I should have wore long sleeves. Stuff's pretty itchy. And this is gonna be work. It might be a little easier just going to Lowe's and getting your lumber. But life ain't easy. But we made some headway on this. I've got about 5 or 6 logs, and then probably 10 or 15 smaller logs, enough for probably a truckload. And it you can kind of see it. There's my scrap pile. I'll burn that later. But kind of opening this up a little bit, and we've got a boatload of cedar trees. I mean, just as far as you can see, all the way around the property. You know, like on a Christmas vacation, they went and they cut that Christmas tree down. They got they're in the bed reading the magazines, and the magazines sticking to their hands. It's from that sap off the tree. I was almost done and run out of gas. That way it goes. Pretty nice day, isn't it, Philip? A lot better than that ice. Well, we got us some logs for various projects around the house, and it went pretty good. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got to go and watch the sunset, play a little football, and rode around the hill and checked things out, and things are looking pretty good. So if you guys think of maybe some different projects or different ideas to do with cedar wood, I have a lot of cedar that needs to be harvested. So just shoot me some comments down there if you can think of something that'd be good, and give me some ideas. So thanks again for watching Stoke Living. What do they need to do?
Subscribe and like.
Like and subscribe, or subscribe and like. All right, well, we'll see you next time. Have a good day.